Tommy Trader, PANW. We featured it many, many times. And we exited the trade up here at a 52-week high. And we said, do not buy parabolic moves. Do not buy the highs in these stocks, and that we would get a pullback. So the high was 318, and we started buying PANW right here at this major support level, right above that 50-day moving average. Yes, it has a daily sell signal on the MACD, and that's why the stock went down. Now, Monday trade, Tuesday trade. Today's gain up exactly $14 with a 4% gain. This is one of the greatest intraday gainers for taking and buying and taking your profits. Once again, sign up for the YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, interact with the comments, let us know what you're thinking, let us know how we can help you with any trades you're in. Once again, we will continue to trade the PANW. We'll let the call options on this one here, boy oh boy, did we ever do well. I can tell you, when we started buying the call options right down here, but today, if you were buying the $300 calls, and we did buy some $300 calls up and out of the money, just to let you know, and they were 55 cents. 55 cents. If you bought 30 contracts for $1,500, well, you just made $9,500 on that trade, no matter what, for that big percent gainer. And here is the daily stock chart. That is the big gainer intraday. Once again, don't hesitate. Don't wait. Earnings season is starting. We have a brand new launch on a brand new website that's going to help you stay informed. It's going to help you 100%.